What is launch jacking and how can you make a ton of money by promoting the other people's new softwares or products? Let's get into it. Hi there, what's going on? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you that what launch jacking is and how you can make money from it. So it's super simple, guys. I'm pretty sure that most of you haven't heard of this name, like with this phrase launch jacking, and in today's video I decided to show you what it is and how simple it is to make money from launch jacking. So not launch jacking in a nutshell is a process of promoting the other people's products or softwares or info products that they are actually launching. So it means that before they get launched, you go there, you talk to the vendor, you get your affiliate link, and then after that you start promoting that software or product and you earn commission. This is how easy it is. And now I'm going to show you which website you need to use in order to find those products, and also I'm going to show you that how you can promote those products in order to get more sales and get more views and visitors. It's a very simple process, guys. You don't even have to show your face or on camera or anything like that. You can do that. That's definitely gonna worth it if you do that. But even if you don't feel comfortable showing your face on camera, you can use the other methods like blogging, even YouTube channel. You can create a YouTube channel and then just keep posting content on your channel without showing your face by just recording your voice. So right now I don't want to waste any of your time, so I'm going to actually jump on my computer to show you what the website is and what the ways are that you can actually promote these products. So stick with me and I'm going to show you how you can do that profitably. Okay guys, all right, welcome to this section. In this part, I'm going to show you that how I personally promote these products. I would say the new products or the softwares, and actually I earn commission from. So you're probably familiar with my YouTube channel that I used to promote these softwares and products a while ago, and then I stopped doing it for a while. And I just want to show you, I just want to get us started with my own channel to show you how it looks like. So if you go to my channel, you're probably watching this video on YouTube. So if you go to my older videos, you'll see that all of these videos are review videos, and they can be, software reviews, they can be product reviews, like info product reviews, like courses, they can be anything. So, and I just simply go there, I talk to the vendor, I ask for my affiliate link, and some of them have different policies. Some of them give you like 45% commission, 50% commission, 70% commission, sometimes 100% commission, but they are not really expensive. So the more expensive the product is, the less commission it has. Like for a $12 product, it's 100% commission usually. For a $27 product, it's usually 50%. So this is how you get it. I'm going to show you that how you can see all of them. So, but this is what my channel is, like different things like CloudFunnels, so many different products here that I recently reviewed. And you can check them out. You can check out my videos to see how exactly I make them. That looks, way better, because even if you want to review a software, it's better to get access to that software. You can ask for review access, because that's gonna help your visitors and also yourself to understand that software much better, because you already have access to that software and you can present it better to your audience, so they can make better decision whether they want to buy it or not. You can just go and grab your affiliate link and start promoting their product without any review access. I've done so many of them without review access, and I'm telling you based on experience that it's best. Actually, the best thing you can do is just asking the vendor to give you a review access. It can be a limited review access without the upsells, just the upfronts, and this is how you can promote those softwares. Like for example, for this particular software, I always start my videos with a little bit of presentation, and then I go to my computer to actually show my audience my bonuses, what I provide after someone purchased the software through my link. Because if someone buys through my link, they will also get some bonuses, custom bonuses from me. So it's actually a very good incentive for someone who's interested in that product. So I'm not just promoting this product like raw. I'm giving something away too. Like it can be my mini course, it can be something that I'm personally using, and I try to give it away, some kind of bonus that I use as an incentive. So people will more likely to buy that product because they will get those bonuses from me. And I use Commission Gorilla. This is what Commission Gorilla is. You can click click on the link below in the description to get access to Commission Gorilla. So it's an affiliate link. I will much appreciate it if you buy through my link. And then Commission Gorilla is a software that allows you to create bonus pages. So I think it's by far the most powerful bonus page builder that you can ever find, because it makes everything so much easier. You can also use a regular website to review those softwares or products, and you can put your bonuses. If someone clicks on the link, they purchase the product, they will automatically get the bonuses. I'm going to show you how you can do that in the next videos. But Commission Gorilla is a software that allows you to make everything so much easier. So for example, let me show you how you can find those products first to promote, and then I show you how you can create those pages by Commission Gorilla. So this is what my YouTube channel looks like for the older videos. You can definitely check them out and to get some idea how I personally promote them. So the website that you need to go to in order to find these new products or softwares, I mean, they are not new because they haven't got launched yet. Before they getting launched, you need to go there, you need to grab your affiliate link, and you need to start promoting them before they get launched. So you go to a website called munchi.com. So it's munchi, munchi.com. So this is a website that actually lists all of the upcoming launches, like softwares, info, products. And what you can do, you can actually go there. Like there are so many products. We have all launches here. We have big launches here. You don't necessarily have to deal with big launches. You can definitely go for all launches. And there are so many things that they are getting released. Like today is September 17th. For September 18th, we have 6 products, 6 new products that are getting launched. How crazy is that? Like for September 19th, 6 products for September 19th. So you can literally go there. Like for example, I'm gonna choose this particular product for September 18th, and as you can see, there is a JVZoo logo here because this product is hosted on JVZoo, and W Plus is actually the same as Warrior Plus. We have Warrior Plus, we have JVZoo, and this is ClickBank. So we go to this one. I'm gonna open this, and then you will see such a page. So we have the vendor's name, we have the product launch dates, like for September 18th, we have launch time, we have the front end price, $27, and out of that $27, you will earn 50% commission. So what you need to do in order to grab your affiliate link, you need to actually go to JV page section. So you need to go to JV page section, and you will see this page right here. So usually when you click on a JV page, a products JV page, you will see an introduction video here, like about the vendor and some testimonials about the vendor, this kind of stuff. And they usually give you some resources like email swipes, banners, and VSL videos that you can use for your promotion. But right now, what we are looking for is affiliate link. So email swipes is a really good thing too, because you can literally use their email swipes for your email list. So it's a very cool thing. They also put prizes for their leaderboard. So for example, for the first 3 people, like for first place, second place, and third place, they usually put some prizes. Like it can go up to $10,000. Like the first person can earn up to $4,000 if you sell the most number of products of this particular product. You will get $5,000 from the vendor for a prize as a reward, which is crazy. And some of them give you $350 if you get the first place. It's totally different. It's totally depends on the vendor. But what you're looking for is affiliate link. So we need to click on affiliate link, and then we go to, because it's hosted on JVZoo, you click on get my link, and here this is where you need to log into your account and get access to your affiliate link. But keep in mind that they will ask you for some description, so we can write something for the vendor to actually show him how you're gonna promote his product, because not all of them are gonna accept you guys. Don't get discouraged. It happens even to the best people, to the best promoters. So but be clear about your way of promotion, that how you want to do that. You want to use your review, your YouTube channel, put your YouTube channel link, let them see that, let them check out. You want to use your blog, just putting your blog URL, let them check it out. It's going to help you a lot if you give them more information, because they think that you're super serious about this particular product and you're really willing to promote it. So that's why they really like it. So believe me, and be clear about your message. And this is what you need to do. So we log in to JVZoo account. So, and if you want to get started with this business, guys, you need to have an account in JVZoo and Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So these three networks, website networking are really fundamental for these particular products. If you want to go to launch jacking, I mean, 99% of products are being launched on either JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and 1% is ClickBank. But you need to have an account on those three networks that I already mentioned: JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. And I'm going to leave a link below in the description. You can get access to those three websites. So, and after that, you get your affiliate link, guys, and you are good to go. But if you want to go for big launches, you're going to get big prizes. But keep in mind that the competition is going to be higher. So, you got to think about this too. Like for example, for this one, we have a big launch on September 20th, $37 at 50%. So you will get 50% commission. And we go to JV page, and then here is $2,000 prizes. So the first person is going to get $1,000. The second place, $500. Third place, $250. Fourth, $150. Fifth, $100. This is how you can get it. And there are some OTO, means upsell, like the first upsell, the one-time offer. Number one is $67. And even on the upsells, you will earn commission. So it's not only on the front end, which is $37. Even on the upsells, you will earn commission, like 50% on $67, 50% off $97, and $147. And these are the vendors. And then here we can get your affiliate link, like get your JVZoo link. You click on it. Again, you will get into this page. So you need to create an account. You need to write down like a description for the vendor, and then you can, whether they accept it or not. And because it's so close to the launch, they're more likely to respond back so quickly, because they don't want to keep you waiting. And this is how you get your affiliate link. So after you're done, after you've chosen your product, the one you like, the one that have more resources, the one that you're more comfortable with, after you grab your affiliate link the way I told you, the next thing you need to do is just creating an account in Commission Gorilla. So as I said, the link is down below in the description. You can get access to Commission Gorilla, and then after that you can start creating your bonus pages. So the first thing you need to do is just go to new page, but I'm going to show you my pages right here. So as you can see, I have many pages, many of them, because I've done so many review videos. And here in home section, we have the stats, like Tick Video Cyber had the most clicks. After that, Laser Point Profits, Funnel View, Boss Secrets, these products had the most clicks, the most views. But what you need to do is just, you don't have to go for a new page and create it from scratch. It's gonna take you forever. You just need to go to my pages and then select best practices templates and then go to clone. Click on clone and it will create one of these pages for you, because best practices template is actually made for reviews. It's actually made for product reviews. You're not going to review a product inside Commission Gorilla. This is a bonus generator. This is a bonus page builder that you actually get help from this. So for example, we go for our best practices template, we make one of these pages, and after that you click on clone page. But if I want to show you one of my bonus pages is this one, for example, view page, and then this is what I personally made. I'm not going to show you how you can exactly create these pages in this video because it's going to take forever. I don't want to make a long video right now. I just want to show you that how you can create those bonus pages. In the next videos, I'm going to show you how you can create them step by step over the shoulder. But this is how it looks like, guys. For example, I have my logo here, the logo of the product that I'm reviewing, my YouTube channel, my YouTube review video, and there is a button here, it's a call to action button. And if someone clicks on this red button, they will get access to the sales page with my affiliate link on it. So if they purchase through that link, they will earn my they will get my bonuses. So the first bonus I have a little bit of description here. I have some benefits here. I have a VSL from the vendor that I got from the vendor and I put it here, and these are the bonuses they will get. The first bonus is this one, and again they can click on any of these red buttons here, so they will get access to the sales page. If they buy through my link, they will get my bonuses. This is the second bonus, third bonus, fourth bonus, and fifth bonus. So for this one I just have 4 bonuses, but I usually provide 5 bonuses, and that's it, guys. You just need to actually you just need to use an incentive to actually get them to buy that particular software or product through your link, because they want your bonuses. That's why you need to create an irresistible bonuses in order to get them to buy that product. Otherwise they can just buy it through the regular URL and they can get the vendor's bonuses. But that's what makes you unique and different from the others, and try to create irresistible bonuses. And after clicking on this buttons, as you can see, I will get directed to the sales page, which is exactly the same as my bonus page, because you should always try to make your bonus page the same as the sales page. Like, it should look the same, kinda. It should be similar to that. And after that, as you can see, this is the main page, the main website that the vendor is providing. So it's a vendor's website, and then they can click on this, they can actually buy that product, and after that they will receive my bonuses that I'm going to show you how you can do that in the next videos. So that's pretty much it, guys. I think I covered everything. I personally use this particular software which is called Commission Gorilla. In the next videos I'm going to put some tutorials that how you can create those bonus pages by using this fully optimized bonus page. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so next time when I upload a video you'll get notified. And thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.